went to Burlington to buy a baby shower gift. I found something. A flower-shaped pillow. The best part about it is 100% polyester. But the thing is, it's already stuffed. I don't even know if it's actually gonna work or the picture will hold, even if it's 100% polyester. Regardless, $10 later, I have this in my possession. And we're gonna find out to see if it actually works. And before I forget, if you're a beginner or don't know what sublimation is, I actually have a checklist down in the description that you can grab totally free, and you can do it in click of a buttons. As you know, I have this stuffed pillow flower that I actually found at Burlington. I was so excited to see that it is actually 100% polyester. As we know, polyester is actually the material that sublimates. And I really am curious to know if it actually works on this, or am I gonna really mess it up and feel sad about it. So, because it is a flower shaped pillow, I decided to go with the bees. So I made a couple bee designs that I will be cutting, preparing, and put it on the sublimation pillow. Well, on the polyester flower shaped pillow to see if it actually holds, and the pictures, the signs will be amazing. Without further ado, let's jump right in. We're gonna cut the bees around the shape so it'll be easier for us to shape it into the pillow. I was trying to press it so we can remove the moisture, but I didn't put nothing on top and it actually messed it up here, so I'm sad about that. I'm gonna see if this can hide it, or I'm just gonna flip it on the other side. I think that's the best part. So I was gonna press it, but unfortunately it's a single way press, and so since it doesn't go up, it's so small that the pillow really doesn't barely fits. That's one of the things I don't like about this heat press, but it does the work for other things. However, for items such as the pillows, kind of tricky, but we will make it work. Okay, so since I got a stain on the back, on the front side right here, we're gonna actually use the back side. Hopefully everything comes out good. All right, so we're gonna put the honey pot over here. We're gonna tape it down. We're gonna put a bee right here. I don't know if this is gonna work because my heat press, it's very small, and for starter project it's great. I think it's a great sublimation heat press, but not for when you already going to do like big projects such as this pillowcase. Feel like I might need to upgrade sooner than I thought. Okay, put this one right over here. I don't know if all the images are gonna fit. I still have like 3. So this one I was actually thinking right here. Yeah, I don't know if this are gonna fit over here. So we're gonna actually move these down so it could balance out. Just gonna do 4. I should do them smaller, but we'll just work what we have. Okay. I don't know if this is gonna be a good one. It might just not be perfect. as I wish it would be. I don't know how this is gonna end up. We will see. Okay, only 4 images fit on the pillow. The other ones for something else. So I don't have butcher's paper. I did find a roll of drawing paper and the garage, which somehow end up there. So we're gonna use this to cover here. But since my heat press it's very small, I want to tape this paper down so when I put it in, it doesn't slide off. Look at my perfect taping. That's better. I feel like it doesn't grab it because it's fussy, but we'll see how it ends up doing. All right. We are at 390 at 60 degrees. Push this in, hoping it stays. We're going to start. I might have to rotate it to the other side. Hopefully nothing moves and everything works out the way I hope it does. Like maybe I should put this. Oh, I don't know. What do y'all think? Did it work? Or was this a big disaster? Kind of worry it might be a big disaster. We'll see in just a moment. I'm going to show you in just a moment the results. But first, if you're new to sublimation or really want to know what sublimation is, check it down in the description. I have a free checklist that will help you start in this journey like it has helped me start in it too. And for the moment of truth, I gotta say, I'm shocked. As you can see, this one got cut off. And all of these, I feel like I should have done another passing on it. But overall, I think it passed. With I guess, a 75%. If I had pressed it again, I think it would have gave it a more color. But I was afraid it would burn the paper and I just wasn't sure what's gonna happen. I didn't want to burn down the house. So I decided just, did a quick one. But on the next one, I'm actually gonna test it again in the future when I actually upgrade my heat press that it's able to get things that are thick like this. But for now, we're gonna stick to the ones that don't need a bigger heat press. I believe so. But regardless, what do you think? Do you think it passed? Or do you think it failed? Or do you think it's like, it's okay? Leave it in the description. I really am curious of your thoughts. Um, I'm not sure. I'm not sure what to say, but I think it's pretty good, I guess. I don't know. Let me know. If you want to sublimate something else, check out this video that YouTube is actually recommending you. Check it out. See what sublimation project you can start today.